Section 4. Hmm. Shifting from scarcity to abundance. The good news is that mindsets can change. We are not locked into scarcity forever. With awareness, discipline, and practice, we can shift into abundance and reshape our financial reality. Point number 1. Awareness is the first step. Recognizing scarcity thoughts when they arise and challenging them with truth. Awareness breaks the cycle of unconscious fear. Point number 2. Gratitude is a powerful tool. Focusing on what we have rather than what we lack trains the mind to see abundance. Gratitude reframes limitation into possibility. Point number 3. Investing in growth, whether through education, skills, or opportunities, reinforces the belief that resources can expand. Growth investments compound over time, creating new streams of wealth. Generosity builds trust and networks that scarcity thinking cannot access. So, shifting into abundance is not about ignoring reality, it is about choosing a perspective that empowers us to act boldly, generously, and wisely with our resources.